はい、どうぞ。はい。Welcome back to Japan. Nice to see you again.
Everything good?
Yeah, it's very much.
Good.
Come.
あ、こんにちは。
こんにちは。
Good to
Nice
see
to
you
see you
again.
again.
はい。
はい、どうもどうも。どうぞ。Please come.
Thank you.
というわけで、ファクトリーギア TV 工具好き、今日突然ちょっとね、WERAのマルティ社長いらっしゃったんで、いくつかねインタビューさせていただきたいと思いますけどね、楽しみにしててください。Is it okay? We have an interview for our Japanese fans.
Yeah.
So we brought,
Thank you very much.
we brought all the nice weather with us.
Yeah.
So you see, this
Already.
morning it was raining.
Yes. You have just arrived Tokyo this morning from Shanghai?
Yeah, from Shanghai.
I found your Facebook.
Yeah.
I
saw you.
I had like.
Yeah.
Did you find it?
Yeah, we were in Shanghai 4 days.
Yeah.
4 days.
4 days.
Yeah.
For the show or for the meeting?
No, just for meetings.
Just for meeting.
Yeah. Came from California.
Oh, California to Shanghai? カリフォルニアから中国行って日本行って so you're going to where? So next.
To Friday we go home.
Okay. So US, States is the first country for this business trip.
States. United States.
United States is the first country.
First country.
US, Shanghai,
Tokyo, back home.
How long? So 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
Close to 2 weeks.
So we're going back to Japan.
You see, just another small remembrance. We also took then the thing.
何これね
Wonderful demo kit of all the new items.
Demo kits. これ is this the first one for Japanese market? No? Somebody had?
I don't know.
This is the first one.
I think you are the first.
We 僕ら一番だそうです。日本のデモキットやったということで。So this is a demonstration kit.
Yes.
Can I see some demonstration?
This the new sockets and all with holding function.
それでネジがついてるのね。ネジがついてて、この要はこれを見せるためにネジと全部セットされたデモンストレーションのキットだということですね。これなんで？ボールね。ボールがありますよと。フィットして押さえる。
Torx.
ただのこれ種も仕掛けもありませんと。マグネット、ノーマグネット。
No
magnet.
Just a fit. ね。
Just a mechanical fit. Very accurate, very strong.
というやつと。これがWERAの X ソケットのクオリティ。これはボールも何にもないね。こっちはボールの力によって保持してるけれど、これはもう形状のデザインでこうホールドできるというものです。少しこうね、こう開いて、ある程度こう開いて、ね。
In the different cones in the middle and outside. And even this.
これね、昔私もデモしました。これね、落ちないぞと。はい。
And you want to get it out?
OK。これがないと取れないっていうことですね。これが非常に重要だと。これがないと入った時に取れなくなっちゃう。入れてターンすると取れると。これ結構大事と。
If you buy a set, it comes with a set. You see this?
セット買うとここに入るようになってると。みんなセットね。
Yeah, and then also the bells. I mean, with this twist to unlock system, so also all the sockets will just stay in place.
まあソケットをこうホールドして、これはホールドしてるだけだとこれねもう取れないんだけど、回すとこう取れるようなシステムということですね。
Soft. And Velcro on the back.
くっつくのね。バック。
Yeah, the WERA to go back. Yeah, but like this or what's it? Yeah, it's the opposite side.
くっつきますよと。
Yeah, you see also the holding function that we also have on the L keys, so also on the Torx L keys. So you see, no magnet. So it's not, but it's just pure mechanical fit.
痛い。How to release? You just you are very powerful.
Yeah, but you see also then the sleeves with the color coding, so that you can easily grab the right size.
This one is longer than that, right? This is a new one.
New one. Longer and holding function.
Longer で holding function. 長くて
we have holding function in long and ball end. But you see color code matches.
同じね。色はこれとサイズとこのサイズで色で分けて同じサイズだってことが分かる。
And here, this matches with Joker.
この色はジョーカーの色ね。
Joker and this matches color code.
Yeah, and then also holding function, also on the bits. So we have a full range of power bits. Also then with the holding function. So again here, no magnet, just pure mechanical fit and accuracy.
これホールディングファンクションってこれでもすごいね。ただこれ外すバーンって入れてこう痛いってなるんでちょっと痛いすごく強くすごい痛いぐらいくっつきますねこれね。
Yeah, if you want to change on an Audi car, the light it's 300 millimeters. You can put screw on it and go.
アウディのIt's for the lights or
for lights adjustment.
光の光軸調整だから多分ね。光軸調整に使ってるのが長いこういうね。So you have a longer.
Yeah, a longer screwdriver.
Longer screwdriver.
Yeah.
そうすると奥まったところでもホールディングファンクションがあればネジを落とさずにこうアクセスできるっていうことでいいぞということですね。あとThe final one. So this one.
The final one is of course here our new VDE ratchet, 1000 volt safe. Each and every item individually tested to guarantee really safe work. So you just put it on, lock. Then you have very fine teeth, 80 teeth. So it gives you really a very, very small angle to work with. Changing direction. And the other thing is of course also for people who doesn't need the VDE safe, it is still anti-marring. Yeah, so due to the full coverage of plastic, so even if you scratch somewhere, you don't destroy any sensitive surfaces as well.
Yes, cool. Last time we had a movie in the Cologne show about these products.
Yeah.
That's one that's very popular in my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
This これ本当design is very nice, very cute. So basically, this kind of the products is very but this is very cute. 可愛い。
Especially for Spain, because the Spanish flag is this
そうね。スペインの国旗のカラーリングだっていう。まあちょっとね思いがけずですね。本当はちょっといろいろインタビューしようと思ったんですけど、いきなりデモキットこれ日本で最初のデモキットお持ちいただいていきなりデモンストレーションしていただいたということでちょっと面白いムービーになったんですけど、これ実は5分しかない。Only 5 minutes. My YouTube channel is only just 5 minutes. Have you seen my YouTube channel?
Yeah, he showed me.
Okay. So this time, this one is the first one in Japan.
Yeah.
The first demonstration.
First demonstration.
By WERA ね。
Yeah.
もう本当にWERAさんによる最初のデモンストレーションを日本でということで非常に貴重な回になりましたと。それでは皆さんさようなら。これすごいよ。